Hey guys, so I moved into temple. My bed's creaking along with me because it does that. Anyway, so I'm wearing this lovely Living Learning Community shirt because I'm in the Honors LLC and we had our Honors scavenger hunt today. It was the first day of Temple Fest and tomorrow there's more Temple Fest and more like meetings and stuff, but I'm excited because it's for new students for the theater film school and just all new students, so I'm really excited for that. But today, this video, I'm going to show you my dorm room and a little bit of like the dorm of the building, but for the most part it's going to be my dorm room. So let's get right to it because I'm so excited to show you my room. So this is N301, Lauren, that's me, Jill, that's my roommate, and this is our little door right here. And we're in! I promise. There's me! I promise I usually do like, you know, turn off the lights, but I wanted them on so that we could come in and it would be bright because the lights kind of take a moment to turn on. So, that's the back of the door. Not that exciting. We have a calendar hanging up here. I know it's not September yet, but the August one was just kind of messy, so it looks all nice and clean. This is our bathroom door, so no one's in here. I just closed it, so let's go on in. Looks pretty. So, you know, bathroom, towels, more towels, our showers. Right there. Nice, it's very nice. Plenty of nice cabinet space. All of my, well, and Jill's necessities. Medicine cabinet. These are both my shelves right now. She didn't take one yet. She might at a later date. Okay. And then we leave the bathroom. These are these 3 sticker things Jill got. This is going to be Hooted the Owl eventually, but I only started him last night and I was tired. A mirror. We put up some clip magnets of stuff. Just Chipotle. You know, a room report. Then this is my area. I brought a yoga mat. Little decor thing I got from one of my best friends a while ago. My makeup's in there. My Polaroid, portable charger, iPad, family picture, a hat from my grandpa because he went here. Oops. I have my jewelry. My jewelry is in here. And then I have some, oops. I have some more stuff down there, but not too much. But it's a pretty little case. I brought the thing. Got this handy dandy water bottle for free yesterday at the dining hall. That's why it says eating made easy. Got some crackers in there, hairbrush, perfume, chocolate. My Q&A book, alarm clock, phone, it's charging. This sleeping mist stuff that helps, just like sounds nice. Got this cute You're Gorgeous mirror that my grandma gave me. She's like, oh, I know who it'd be for. Me. I have a pennant. This right here is where I'm hanging my room key. Let me take that off for a minute so I can show you guys. That's all command strips, by the way, or command hooks. Whoop. Then this is my dresser. This one is my closet. I haven't put my clothes in rainbow order yet because my mom hung them up, which was really nice for her, but I'll probably put them in rainbow order. Snack bin, utensils, tool kit, rain boots. Up here we have some tea, my nicer sunglasses, not from school, extra towels, sunscreen, good stuff. That's my roommate Jill's side. Before I go back to my side, I'm not gonna zoom in on her stuff because it's kind of an invasion of privacy. Alright, under here I got my slippers so I can wear them on the floor because we do have a rug, but otherwise it's kind of cold. Hamper, bags and scarves and sweaters. This like ottoman thing that's really just a stool so I can get up to the bed. I got all my shoes in these bins, headphones, a fridge. Whoa. Put my magnets on here, Panda, Ziplocs. I'm not sure what's in the fridge right now. A lot of Propels and a brownie. Then over here we have my Travel the World box, which just has some like stickers for my scrapbook, my Downton Abbey CDs, and coloring pencils and stuff. My tripod, my light, trash can, iPad bag with chargers. And this is my desk. I haven't done too much with it yet. I got like my laptop and stuff in there. Put some things here. This is gonna be my scrapbook. I haven't even put a picture in here yet. I've literally only done this page, but it looks really cute. Then, I got some stuff along the walls. The upper level, I have my camera bag, my purse, Mickey, because he's my inspiration for life. Some stuff there, some of my textbooks. On this window, I got the Temple Tea, snap glasses, stuffed animal, just some cute little things. Got my backpack, got my violin, trying to really, save space. Then we can follow this wire up, and we have these cute little starlights, and my pride flag that I got in June. Then more pictures, pillows, stuffed animals, munchkin, one of those pillows. Yeah, and that is all the stuff I put in my dorm room. This is N301. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe so you can see more of my stuff. I probably won't do another video like this until next year.